Hello, everybody. My name is Klára, and I'm working at the Ministry of Finance of Czech Republic. I work in the Housing Policy Analysis Department, so that will also reflect the topic of today's presentation. First of all, I want to thank everybody for inviting us. I believe today's presentation will show you how effectively can private and public sector work together. As you can see here, the presentation is called Public Sector Meets Web Scraping, Mapping Housing Prices in Czechia. And as the title suggests, today I will tell you the whole story of how we move from scraping data all the way to rental price maps and a rent calculator for the general public. Today we will focus on 4 main points. The first one will be why. Why are we doing this, and what is the context? The second one, what? What are we actually creating, and what are the outputs? The third one will be how. How do we do it, and what is the cooperation based on, and what does the process look like? And finally, what impact does it have, and how can it be useful for the public? Okay, so let's move to the first point and talk about the context behind the whole project. As you probably notice, housing has become an increasingly important social and political topic because housing is something all of us need in everyday life. For a long time, not enough apartments have been built in Czech Republic, and while at the same time the number of people looking for rental housing keeps growing. So as a result, both property prices and rental prices have been increasing. As we can see here in the chart, median rental prices in Prague have almost doubled over the last decade, while Brno and the rest of the Czech Republic have also experienced significant growth. At the same time, household incomes have not been growing as fast as housing costs, which makes housing affordability an increasingly serious problem, not only on a social level, but also on economical level. Sorry. And now we will go to the question why the public sector needs this data. For public administration, it's very important to understand the housing market in a detail. We need to know where rents are growing the fastest, where the affordability is getting worse, and how the situation differs across Czech regions. Traditional statistical sources, such as Czech Statistical Office, often work with surveys and transaction data that are published with delay and usually in kind of aggregated forms. So because of that, they do not provide the level of detail we need. Our approach allows us to work directly with market data and with much higher level of detail. As we can see in this map, showing the smallest apartment size category in Prague, sometimes even a difference between a few streets can have a major impact on price levels. If we want to create evidence-based policies, we need current and highly detailed data. And that is why we are making our own interactive price maps. And these maps are published quarterly at the ministry's website. These maps show market rental prices per square meter of a reference apartment at the cadastral area level. And we create separate maps for the Czech Republic and then for Prague. We make it in 4 size categories. And this output allows us to monitor regional differences and market developments in such detail we want for our needs. And the price maps are available on public website, but their primary purpose is to be used as an analytical tool. And we are using this analytical tool for evaluating housing affordability, creating housing policies, and setting affordable rents levels. Okay, and now how we actually create these price maps and what data do we use. We collect data using the Epify platform through web scraping. We work with the listing prices published on various real estate websites, and we collect information mainly about location, apartment size, age of apartment, and equipment or furnishing. The most important thing for us is that we are able to continuously collect large amounts of data across the whole country and with a high level of detail. And that's exactly what we need. So, yeah, but the scraping, the data is only the beginning for us. The real-world data is usually messy, and I would say the least visible part, but at the same time the most important one is data cleaning, so the data can actually be used for modeling later. And because, as I guess we all know, the quality of outputs always depends on the quality of inputs. And thanks to this approach, we are able to create detailed and up-to-date view of the market. And by choosing this path, we are kind of creating an advantage compared to traditional statistical sources. And now, when we understand the whole process, let's move to the end of the story and look at the practical and user-friendly use of our price maps. The main goal is to transfer a relatively complex model into something understandable for ordinary users. So here on the screen you can see the interactive calculator, which is also available on our website, and it's designed for the general public. And using it's very simple and intuitive. You just enter the parameters such as location, apartment size, and equipment, and the calculator provides you an estimated market rent for the selected apartment. Of course, we know it's still only a statistical estimate, but it's based on a large amount of real data, so it can be considered reliable. And now that you know the whole story, I hope you agree with me that the web scraping is not only a tool for private sector, but also can be very useful for the public one. Just for context, the Rental Price Map website, with more than 120,000 visits, is currently the most visited page of Ministry of Finance's website. And at the same time, it has been positively received by the market participants. If you like to check it by yourself, you can just screen this QR code, go down there and check our website. And actually, this is where our story ends, at least for now. I would like, again, Epify for the long-term cooperation and the opportunity to be here today. And I hope that everyone knows now what happens when web scraping meets public policy. Thank you and have a nice day.